and welcome to another shaving review video. Today I'm going to be reviewing Amber Rose by the Club. This has notes of amber, rose, incense, and tobacco. It's a very nice smelling scent and kind of almost floral, powdery. And then along with it we have the matching splash. And for any nicks, cuts, or burns, I have Thayer's Witch Hazel. Today's software, I'm going to be using the West Coast Shaving Infinity Brush. Rush Azure is the color. And here's the brush. Shining in the light, it has little bits of brown and blue going through there. And this is a synthetic knot. It's a new synthetic knot that West Coast Shaving has been experimenting with. So looking forward to trying that out with today. Okay. All right, I got about 2 days growth here, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet the face. Hope everyone's had a nice Monday so far. It's only Monday of the week. And we're just gonna load the brush straight from the container. And this is kind of a crope almost, kind of in between a soap and a cream. So, all right, here we go. And as you lather these soaps from the Club or Ariana and Evans, the scent seems to blossom once you start loading your brush. Definitely, as soon as water hits it, it starts to bloom a little bit. All right, I think that's enough there. Go ahead and lather that. Whoop, lather going everywhere. There we go. And still plenty left in the brush for 3 or 4 more passes. All right. A bit of a cleanup there. And West Coast Shaving, great job on the brush. The lather comes up very quickly on this brush. It's very soft, gets in the bristles, and it can hold a lot of soap. 10 out of 10. I mean, there's nothing really I can say bad about the brush. It's really great. The handle feels really good. And for the hardware today, we're going to be using the Muhle R41 with the Rapira Platinum blade in there. All right, here we go. So, comment below, how many of you guys are going to the Big Shave West in Phoenix, Arizona? I will be there. I've just made the decision to go just about a week or so ago, and got everything booked, ready to go. I'm hoping to meet a lot of you YouTubers out there. I'm fairly new to this community, so meeting you guys will be awesome. You'll have to pardon me. I've had a little bit of a cold all weekend, so I'm just trying to get over that as well. I just got my smell back today, so thank goodness I was able to get it back before I did this. This is still a very nice smelling soap. Like I said, it's floral, but not too floral. So if that kind of puts your minds at ease a little bit about floral scents, it's not overbearing, but there's just a hint of it in there. So going to the big shave is going to be my second time flying ever, and I'm 28 years old. I fly out of Nashville on the Friday before at about noon, hopefully. And we'll get into town at about 3 o'clock their time, or Arizona time. All right, pretty good first pass there. All right, I'm gonna kind of wet my face again, and then we're gonna do a second pass. All right, here we go. Goodness gracious, look at this lather. Nice and pillowy. The base for this soap is fantastic. It's a goat's milk. And it's also has some tallow in there. But just look at how creamy and soft this looks here. These club soaps make for excellent shave experience. And if you do not own a Club or Ariana Evans soap, you should get at least one, because these are fantastic soaps with fantastic scents. All right. There we go. I love lathering up with that brush. That synthetic knot is very, very soft. I think whenever they come out with a new round of those brushes again, you should definitely try to snag one up. Very well worth it. All right, here we go. Second pass. This is where I kind of test the residual slickness of soaps, because I'll go back across the grain the other way, but I won't put any more cream on. I'll just do it right now. And the residual slickness is fantastic. Just glides right over the hair. Or glides through the hair, excuse me. Better way to put it. And that's baby smooth. All right, this one here. Keep on going back. All right. And on this one, I usually go with the jawline here. With a fresh blade, it cuts right through it. Any other time, it kind of snags on me a little. Do the other side now. everybody's face is a little different. With this side of my face, I have to go this way to get the closest shave. This side, I have to go back along with the jawline. So it's kind of a weird thing, but that's how I get the best shave. Turn that around. All right. Go back and check for any spots that I missed here. Back over here. All right, that's a pretty good shave there. I think I'm gonna stop. All right, clean my face off. All right. All right. Okay, use the matching splash. But first, I'm going to use Thayer's Witch Hazel, just as a safety precaution here. And I do this every time I put on Witch Hazel because it helps my skin feel the best. All right, now we'll go after the splash. All right. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Again, I will be doing more in the future. Next time I will be doing another club review of which one is pink. Thank you everybody, have a great shave.